pick or a flathead screwdriver, just pop this button off. I want to go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw here, and there's one inside the door panel pull. Using a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver, there's a little notch right here in the door panel. Pop this in here. You want to pry it out. Maybe get your hand in there and give it a tug. You want to go ahead and release all of these plastic pins holding the door panel on. Press the door button or the door lock down. I'll go ahead and lift up on the panel. Now with the door panel pulled away, you want to go ahead and press in on the little lock tabs here and release that connector. Same on the bottom. And you want to push in on this little lock tab and release this door rod. Swing that away and pull the rod out. Next we want to go ahead and pinch this little black connector right there and disconnect the harness. You can use a pick or a flathead screwdriver. And next we want to use a 10mm socket and extension. We'll go ahead and remove these 3 nuts on the back side. You want to be able to catch those nuts before they fall out of the socket and into the door. The last nut, as you start to loosen this here, you want to reach around and hold that mirror. Now with the 3 nuts removed, you might be able to apply a little bit of pressure and wiggle the mirror free. There's rubber grommet there, just pull that through and pull the connector out. All right, so you're going to want to feed the connector through, and there is an alignment stud right here that is actually going to press into this little hole in the mounting base. So feed that through and get your grommet lined up and insert it into the door, and then line up your studs. And then we can go ahead and start putting the nuts on. You can go ahead and get one of those nuts started by hand. And just spin that on as far as you can. Then go ahead and get the other 2 nuts started. Go ahead and snug up these 3 bolts. Last, you want to go ahead and connect the connector. All right, I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the door handle here. So feed the rod up and then snap the clip onto the rod like so. Now I want to go ahead and reconnect our harnesses. Bring the door panel up over your lock button. Get that lined up. And just go around the perimeter, popping all of your lock buttons into place. Reinstall your 2 screws, one on the door handle pull and one on the door handle. Install the little screw cap, line it up, snap it into place.